Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, walk on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, wanna see what I go on. I'm in studios today. You know what I mean? I'm there on a little ends. We soon go back in studio and give you more of those quality content. Leave a like on this video or comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. So the topic we are going to talk about today is that viral video where I circulate between the student and the teacher, and I kind of have something I want to say pertaining to that. Zine, now people, I only can comment on the video when I see. I am not going to comment on what happened before or what happened after, but I definitely can comment on the video. And I want to make this clear before I go in on my comment. It's not right for no student I deal with a teacher like that. It's not right, none at all. The teacher them or the elders them, a matter of fact, never have to be a teacher, but just an elder woman at that, in a right for a student are getting a brawl with them. See me? But me is a youth and me have to split justice. Cause remember when me I go to school, me did rude bad. And when me I put myself in a teacher in a student position, probably if I went me I go to school and to how rude me did be, and you know, to people, I was kind of a rude kid when I got to school. But probably would have take back the chair there and slap the teacher down. Because more than one occasion, we see wherein the teacher took something to hit the child, and the child has take it away from her and just ease her off and make she understand. I say, yo, easy. Even with to the point where in which two other students come and I try part them, you can see say the teacher still like want to get the last lick. It don't appear as if a two school kids a fight. Me expect better from the teacher. Alright? Me expect better from the teacher. And teachers, you have to understand say them generation of youth, you know, different. That not say right, you know, youth so you must obey authority over uno. You see me? So that not necessarily say because me feel like the teacher should have backed down, that means the whole situation right. But when me I think about is the teacher's safety. Now we see wearing, I think about 2 days ago, a student, a female student was found with a gun. A 15-year-old student was found with a gun in her bag. Zine, the youth they easily could have like a knife pan him and stab up the teacher, kill the teacher. You see me? Even when him take back the chair, easily him could have lend the chair or the decks or whatever him take from the teacher. Him could have just lend her it in her face easily. And she's a elder teacher up in her age. So don't try it, me see like all minister education or someone from the ministry, some government personnel, I talk about fight, but me see I observer. Me never read the article still because that to me no make no sense. Zine, you have other male teachers around the compound. This is not a school where it's just all female teachers, and you must have security on the compound. That honor your job for war student, even if them are misbehave and them something there. We live in a time now where them youth are different. We see wearing, so some of them youth we see a trap the line, and some of them youth we see a get catch with gun, and some of them youth we see wanted for murder. When you look on wanted Thursday, sometimes some 19-year-old, 18-year-old, 15-year-old, 16-year-old, some school kids. So right now, me never think about wrong or right. Me I think about the teacher safety. teacher could have put herself in her harm's way based upon what me see. And there's no way, shape or form you need to do them things, mama. Conduct yourself better. You see me? We respect you because I any idea I feel like even teachers should get more pay for deal with some of them situations upon a daily basis. But try not to put on yourself in a harm's way. And I hope some teacher I watch this. And if you know a teacher, send it to a teacher. You see through me outside right now. One truck a pass. I don't want it make no bag of noise and I talk a phone. So I go wait a little bit until the truck pass. The point of me I try say teachers try protect on yourself. Cause them youth nowadays, them rude. Don't find yourself in a position where you go in a physical back and forth. And at the end of the day, you are the teacher. You see me? So you must understand himself and know say you for respect authority. But me no feel like you go about it a good way. You see me? Couple things could have happened right there. So you see when you swing the chair or decks and lick the student, he could have go some booms and bust up him face. He could have even lose him eye. You don't want that because right there and then you can pick up a lawsuit. You see me? And as what I said, the youth could have take the chair from you and slap you across your face. Right there and there, you could have lose your eye. You get what me I say? And you know, hear no two lawsuit coming out. Right there, so I don't know that part they go still. You see me? But them youth nowadays, like them programmed different. You see me? Programmed different. And me never go stress on the youth nowadays. Cause enough people we are talking it's like them never used to go to school and do foolishness. Me used to go to school and do foolishness. Me say that whole heap of time. You see me? But at the end of the day, me never transition in our lifelong criminal or go take up some criminal thing and go do some criminal activity. You see me? Me never do that. You see it? So me never go on like me don't know how it is. And again, a generation different. What me think would that be the better thing to do or the correct thing to do? I guess you can put it in a comment section and tell me if I'm right or wrong. But I feel like the teacher, when you ask a student to leave, to come out of your classroom and you move a particular way, you come out, notify the principal or notify somebody. I mean, you don't want the good suffer for the bad feel really come out and then other student in the class want to learn and stuff like that. But don't take it up on your head, mama. I tell her, no do that something there. Yeah, me could not bring the news differently right now. Me could not bring the news say student hit teacher with a desk in her head, causing her for dead or some foolishness like that. You see me I say? So just keep it good. And the youths them don't want to put all of the blame upon the teacher. But one more point when I have to go and when I have to say to put the blame back upon the teacher or for caution the teacher, not necessarily blame, because it's just an unfortunate situation. The student is a problematic child. Him they just come off a suspension. So you know say the student is a problematic child. You're going on an argument with the mama. The argument they could have cost your life. Please. And all of my teacher friend them, when you see the youth them move certain way, if you ask them 1 or 2 or 3 times to come out of your class and them a clown it out and them thing there, call security, call police, call some other authority figure. You see me? But you will not take it on. It's kind of different with the male student them, you know, with the male teacher them. Because a male teacher can grab a boy and girt him. You see me? And him can probably defend himself. Then again, that's not too right, you know. But it kind of different versus a female elderly teacher. Again, I want tussles with a young youth. No, sir, not do that again, mama. Don't do it. You see me? Do not do it. And the youths them, respect authority. You see me? When you go to school to learn, try learn something. Me get to understand that sometimes I really the whole teaching and learning culture and experience and Corona kind of shake up a bag of things because a lot of students for the 2 year them never necessarily did go to school. You see me? But, brother, if you know say you not too like the book thing, don't get caught up in a society. You don't have to go the book route. It's good for you get a good education, you know, and a proper education and get something substantial in your head. But if you have got a route there, and you see that route there enough for you, pick up a trade. You see me? When I talk to a lot of people who own like, you know, we run them own business, do them construction thing, even my Morris structure when I do my construction thing and thing. You can't find people for work. Last night I talked to one of my G who own one car wash. He can't find nobody for work. You see me the other day at a furniture store. Me and them are all a reason at our furniture store. They make furniture and them thing there. And me I say, brother, you know, I can do some video for you and do some little ads and run a social media page for you. You know, turn up the thing. Help him turn up the thing. Man turn to me and tell me, say, yo, Chaddy, I can't really do no promotion and marketing and nothing like that because the work them I get now is enough. And it's not like I can expand. I tried a couple times and it not work. Because when it boil down to the meat, him can't find a worker. So the people them forward, them work for 2 week, 3 week, and then them go so boomsy and take with themselves. So industries like these, the hands-on industries them, me feel like say them a get a labor shortage right now. So everybody have to go lawyer and teacher and doctor and police, and them feel is really, really oversaturated because me know people same way we have 9 subject and can't get a job. We have big degree on wall like a picture frame and can't get a job. You see me? So some of them feel here where the people them not really look upon. You can't go in it, man. And if you say the book thing enough for you, try learn a trade, as I say. Go do farming, you know. Whole heap of money in a farming, and that's another underrated job. Pick up a camera, go do vlogging, go do video editing, go do something. But the youths them don't really sit down and waste on their life. You see me? And have manners to no teacher them, man. Don't do it. Teacher them bigger and plus them not get enough pay if you put up to some of the bullshit them wanna do. You see it? That's just my 2 cents on the matter. It's a boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's a boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, any other way, the wrong way. Everything connect.